T.B.Photo X1.5 TFX and welcome back to another video. Well, this is just gonna be a quick little promo for once, but anyway, let's get on with it, shall we? A couple of months ago now, actually, yeah, the band Mass Diversity, a band that I have plugged many a times before because I have been photographing them many a times before. They performed their final gig at the CC Pub, a venue that has now gone the same way as New York's CBGB's, unfortunately. So it's closed down, it doesn't exist anymore, but the legacy lives on. But anyway, what actually happened during this final gig was that I was there, but they asked me to not take stills, but videograph some of the live, or rather some of the music. So I went with the D7200 and I used primarily the 10-20 Sigma f3.5. And I used my stereo shotgun microphone from Opteka on the camera itself. But it turned out that this evening the band had a digital mixing console, which meant that they actually could line feed the audio to a laptop, so they actually recorded all the audio for this concert. They also had a little bit of a GoPro camera going on a little bit above the performance as well. But all in all, I was tasked by the group to edit the video portion of the concert. So that's actually exactly what I have done. So I gave them all the material. I think it was 4 songs or 4 tunes that were recorded, and they are now apparently gonna be released on their YouTube channel. So it's gonna be a little bit of a sneak peek of it here, maybe a little bit of background music. Yeah, but anyway, of course, link in the description. Really great band if you like funk rock and so on. These guys are brilliant, and the special guests for this event was that they had a 3-piece horn section as well. So yeah, I think it was trombone, trumpet and saxophone. So yeah, the first video is already out on their website, or rather their YouTube channel. It's Mass Diversity, and yeah, I'm gonna put a link in the description. But that's a bit for me for now. I just wanted to plug this. It's kind of my first venture into more pro level film, making and so on. So yeah, if you enjoy it, just please like, share, comment and subscribe, both on my video, but of course the performers channel as well. So they're a little thin on subscribers for the time being, so if you fancy them, please subscribe to them as well. I think they're soon gonna be out with their first debut album. They have some singles on Spotify, I know. And yeah, I think they're even gonna release a vinyl record, so that will be something for the future. But as always, this is Tobias Bergstrom from T.B.Photo X1.5 TFX, and I'd like to see you guys in the next video. And as always, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Yeah, I've already said that, but shameless plug. Anyway, thank you so much and take care. Bye.